On June 26, 2001, the United States Food and Drug Administration approved the use of ozone in food processes. Now, legally can be used to disinfect and to preserve food in either packing or other food processes. Okay, so this shows that the advantages of ozone are not only being recognized by the authorities, it is also being widely used in a variety of industries. In recent years, human life and health has come under increasing threats. Threats like bacteria, viruses, pesticides, insecticides and other chemicals, and even water pollution. The fruits and vegetables that we eat have excessive amounts of pesticide residue, meats contain antibiotics, and seafood, chemical residues. And nowadays, with the avian flu, SARS, and the mad cow disease scares, many people are wondering how they can protect themselves and their loved ones from these threats. Watch. This is tap water, and this is ozonated water. Now, let's give each a stir. What a beautiful blue color. So what happens here? These are pictures from the world's leading testing and certification company we commissioned to test the ozonated water from the biotech high-concentration ozonated oxygenated water maker. They are before and after images of bacteria treated with biotech's ozonated water for 5 seconds. Next experiment, let's test for chlorine. Now, in this beaker, I'm going to fill it up with 150 cc's of regular tap water. And in this one, 150 cc's of oxygenated water. That looks about right. Next, I'm going to add some chlorine tester. 15 drops into tap water. That's 1, 2, 3, 15. You can see how yellow it's becoming. First, let's stir it up. So now it's evenly distributed. Now, let's see how much chlorine is in our oxygenated water. Color hasn't changed, but let's stir it up anyway. Still clear. You can see that our oxygenated water doesn't contain any chlorine. Nobel Prize winner for physiology and medicine, Dr. Otto Warburg, has written that there is a direct relationship between oxygen levels and cancer cell growth rates in the human body. He wrote that once the oxygen level in the body decreases, cancer cell growth will increase. It's been proven that oxygen from water is just as well absorbed as it is from air. While there's only 6 parts per million of oxygen in tap water, there's over 19 parts per million of oxygen in oxygenated water from the biotech high-concentration ozonated oxygenated water maker. That's nearly 4 times you would otherwise get through the tap. This was tested in a laboratory certified by Taiwan's Environmental Protection Agency. Water with a high concentration of oxygen is beneficial in these ways. It boosts the immune system, it brings up the level of oxygen in the bloodstream, and increases blood circulation and energy. It relieves fatigue, headaches, and muscle aches. It improves mental focus and memory. It facilitates growth of beneficial oxygen-loving bacteria and represses growth of detrimental oxygen-averse bacteria. And also, it assists in toxin processing. Highly concentrated oxygenated water isn't just good for the body, it's also great for the skin. And for that purpose, it's become extremely popular in Japan and the rest of Asia in recent years. Our skin constantly needs oxygen. It needs oxygen to stay healthy and to renew itself. Scientists have proven that skin ages faster when it doesn't get enough oxygen. So when there's not enough oxygen in the body, skin ages prematurely and loses its elasticity and glow. Now, the ability of skin cells to keep oxygen decreases by 65% after we turn 30 years old, compared to the time when we're 25. And as we get older, our body functions decrease as well. As this happens, Our capillaries don't function as well as before and can't transport the necessary oxygen molecules to skin cells, which in turn slows down the metabolism and the cell renewal rate, causing wrinkles to appear and your glow to disappear. Aging is inevitable, but we can stay healthy and beautiful by supplementing the body with an extra oxygen supply. These are some of the effects of high-concentration oxygenated water on skin. It speeds up the recovery of damaged skin. It reduces redness from irritation. It strengthens its toxin processing ability. It helps fight bacteria. It rejuvenates skin cells, reduces wrinkles, brings back translucence, and it promotes collagen growth and increases skin elasticity. Now, the biotech electrolytic high-concentration ozonated, oxygenated water makers differ by ozone concentrations and are designed for use in different types of places. They're divided into residential, commercial, and medical models. It can be used in restaurants, kindergartens, schools, and nursing homes, or also pools, saunas, spas, and health clubs. It's also for use in fruits and vegetables, meat, and seafood processing centers. And of course, it's also for use in hotels, industrial laundry facilities, and food processing plants. It can be used in hospitals and clinics. It can be utilized by doctors, nurses, and other healthcare staff to wash their hands. It's also suitable for sterilizing and disinfecting medical equipment and facilities.